How to use ChatGPT search and learn ChatGPT SEO. ChatGPT challenges Google with ChatGPT search. Learn new SEO techniques. ChatGPT developer OpenAI has introduced its own version of web search with the launch of ChatGPT search. Thus, the popular artificial intelligence or AI-based online tool is ready to challenge the dominance of Google in the search space. With the introduction of the search feature on October 31st, OpenAI claims that ChatGPT can now search the web without going to the traditional search engine, and you can get fast, timely answers with links to relevant web sources. The ChatGPT search will add the natural language interface to the regular web search to provide instant information to the users. ChatGPT will search the web based on your query, or you can yourself choose to search by clicking the web search icon. According to OpenAI, the search feature will be available at chatgpt.com as well as on the desktop and mobile apps. All ChatGPT Plus and Team users, as well as SearchGPT waitlist users, will have immediate access. Enterprise and Edu users are expected to get search access in the next few weeks. While the search option is not yet available to free users, OpenAI promises to release the free version in the coming months. Now, it is likely that the online content creators will need to learn new search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to make their web pages available to be searched by ChatGPT search. ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an artificial intelligence or AI-based online tool called chatbot which generates human-like text responses to prompts or user queries. It was launched by OpenAI in November 2022. This video story has been scripted and produced by Rakesh Raman, who is a national award-winning journalist and founder of the humanitarian organization RMN Foundation. Nowadays, he is running his global news services on multiple news sites that cover topics such as politics, business, technology, entertainment, and education. Earlier, he was writing an exclusive edit page technology column regularly for the Financial Express, which is a daily business newspaper of the Indian Express Group. He had also been associated with the United Nations, UN, through the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, as a digital media expert to help businesses use technology for brand marketing and business development. You can check out the related links given under this video and subscribe to the RMN YouTube channel to watch more informative videos. Thank you.